I lost $20,000 in a fix and flip project. Here are some of the mistakes I made. Number one, I bought a property that was way too unique. The property that we were looking at was in a fantastic neighborhood where property sold for $1 million plus. But our property was a bit weirder than our neighbor's property. For one, our lot did not have a backyard. Our lot was way too small, and our driveway actually belonged to the neighbor. We were just borrowing that space to drive our car, so we actually didn't even have our own parking. Number two, make sure to order your materials and supplies in advance. Due to all of the supply chain issues, materials take a lot longer to ship, and we underestimated this. Our kitchen took 6 weeks to arrive, our appliances took 2 weeks to arrive, and this pushed timelines back and ultimately cost us money. Number three, speaking of timelines, we want to make sure our timelines are tight because a lot of fix and flippers are not using their own money. They're using high risk, high interest debt to fix and flip these properties, and then they pay back all of this debt once the property is sold. We ended up spending $20,000 plus in interest expense due to all of our delays. Number four, budget for unknowns. There were a lot of unknown costs when going into our project that we couldn't see with the naked eye. These are some very expensive lessons I learned from our fix and flip. If you guys are looking to fix and flip your first property, hopefully you don't make the same mistakes I did. Until next time, everyone, invest smarter and live better. Take care, all.